super easy way to bridge the Cronos mainnet, as well as Harmony, Arb, Moon River, and all the other chains I cover. But with all that out the way, let's get started. So as you guys can see, we got Cronos over here. And first things first, what I'm gonna need you guys to have is a Cronos wallet over here on MetaMask, alright? Obviously, I didn't mind whatever I felt like, but it is what it is. You're gonna need some Cronos. In order to do all that, like I said, we're gonna end up bridging. So first things first, I want you guys to make sure you guys are on the Cronos network. And that's pretty easy, you know. You guys can just go ahead and pause the video, or, you know, go ahead and type in all this while you guys are running. Once you guys have this little network, all you guys got to do is go back to the network, whatever other network you're at. So whether you're on Phantom, Harmony, Matic, let's say you're on AVAX or Binance, whatever other network you're on that you're going to bridge to the Cronos, that's what you're going to use. So today, for this example, I'm going to use Binance. So I'm going to jump on over here to my BSC, and we're going to run on over to ELK. So I'm gonna go ahead and use ELK Finance. A lot of you guys already know this. This is already same thing that I use for bridging to AVAX and all that. However, you know, some of you guys don't understand that this is a very beginner friendly way to bridge over. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up purchasing some ELK, and then we're gonna use the ELKNET to bridge on over. So let me go ahead and pick some BNB real quick. And let me see. Today I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 400 ELK. So 400 ELK is about 1.7 BNB. That's what I'm gonna pick up. One thing to notice is price impact. So let's say I wanted to pick up this 400 ELK, but I wanted to use BUSD. Well, you would notice that the price impact is actually 2.75%. So it would actually cost me more to pick up, you know, through BUSD than it would through BNB. So a lot of times, you know, I would normally say pay attention to that price impact. Always try to choose whatever's the least amount. Most of you guys who are beginners aren't really going to be bridging over this amount, but I'm just showing this as an example. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and hit that swap so I can go ahead and pick up some ELK. Alright, and as you guys can see, the swap went ahead and went through, so now I got 400 ELK. So what we're going to need to do now is bridge. So for this tutorial, let me go ahead and refresh this. Sometimes it freaks out a little bit when you're on this side. We're going to go ahead and take our target chain. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using Cronos, because that's what this video is for. However, like I said, you can use it for Phantom, you can use it for Harmony, you can use it for Moon River, KCC, you guys can use it for you know, Matic and Polygon. It's totally up to you. Whatever it is that you guys want to pick up, you know, you can go ahead and choose, jump on over here. So like I said, for this tutorial, we're just going to go ahead and pick Cronos. And like I said, dude, it is mandatory that you guys have that Cronos network already set up on your MetaMask, all right? You don't need to be there, but you just have to have it already set up. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and switch it on over. One of the most important things to do is to click this little box right here. And essentially how it does that is by doing exactly what it says. It's going to swap one of these ELKs that, you know, I've thrown down over here, and it's going to basically purchase Cronos. So that way, once you're on the opposite side, you will have gas fee to be able to, you know, switch ELK back into more Cronos or whatever it is you guys want to pick up. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this transfer, and we'll go ahead and confirm. Now this is actually going to take a quick minute. So if you guys remembered my balance, that's why I showed it to you guys. You guys will see that it'll add up. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and move on over. Go ahead and pick Cronos. Alright, as you guys can see, I still have that 2430. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this right here until we see the, you know, the thing drop into the wallet. Alright, so as you guys can see, there was no confirmation or nothing, but there was a little drop of 7 Crow. So as well as the 399 ELK. So like I said, it actually swapped one little ELK for the gas token. So obviously I already have a bunch of Crow because I'm already on here, but that's how easy it is. So once you guys already have the ELK, all you have to do is come back over here. Now you're in the Cronos, or you can just go ahead and refresh once your wallet is already in the Cronos mainnet. After that, you come over here, hit that swap, and then you're just gonna go ahead and swap the ELK back into Cronos. And that's basically it. If you guys can see, the price impact definitely matters. So as of right now, there's not a lot of liquidity. So if you guys are whales, I would suggest you guys use any swap. I would suggest you guys, you know, try to find a different way to be able to, you know, split on over 5K, 2K, 10K, whatever it is you guys want to run. If you guys are beginners, this is perfect for you. Like I said, there's a little overkill, but as of right now, Crow is pumping so crazy that I really don't care. So I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna take that little what was that point? Actually, I think altogether is a 1%. I'm gonna take that 1%, you know, to the chin. It's no big deal. And like I said, that's how easy it was. So if you guys wanted to bridge to Harmony, all you guys had to do was on ELKNET, you guys just had to pick target chain, Harmony. If you guys wanted, you know, to run from BSC to Phantom, same thing. All of that was in that Avalanche bridge video. But like I said, I wanted, you know, to update this for Cronos and for Harmony to make it easy for you guys. But yeah, man, that's basically it. So in case you guys, you know, really wanted to jump onto the Cronos train, there it is. You know, I wanted to make sure I have an easy bridge video, since it seems a lot of you guys were, you know, kind of getting mixed up with AnySwap and or you know, trying to have to go through crypto.com, all of that stuff. So anyways, yeah, man, that's basically it. So like I said, you know, you're probably asking what was the whole point of checking all this out. Like I said, Cronos is pumping. It's pumping pretty hard. It's pretty dope. Besides that, you guys also have not Crodex. Crodex pretty lame. You guys have VVS Finance. That one's popping off. You guys also have Chronoswap. That one's popping off too. Shout out to all the homies. So safety wise, this aren't, you know, audited. There are no rug docs, none of that stuff. So I would suggest, you know, you guys take high precaution and only play around with capital. All right, you guys already know what's up. So anyways, that's been my time. If you guys like my content, like always, smash that like button for me. You guys know I appreciate that. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below.